Hi guys, this is Alex from BlackboxMyCar. I'm the founder and CEO of BlackboxMyCar. So I started off of working from home. I was living at home back then, and I started working from my bedroom and then I was using the living room to have people come see these dash cams if they wanted to. I used to even offer installation service in my own garage, and yeah, the whole, interestingly enough, the whole family was involved in trying to help me fulfill orders. Luckily, we started getting orders as we started the business, so it somewhat became a business for my sister. Even though she was at school at the same time, she was working part-time for me, as well as my dad, who's now playing a very vital role here in terms of accounting side of the business. He helped me pack a lot of units from home, so from living room to family room, and at one point we decided that we needed to expand, and we were hiring representatives to write contents for us or be a salesperson, and we figured it was the right time for us to move out of home and settle into an office. So that was about 5-6 years ago. 5 years ago. I think we were at home for about a year and a half to 2 years, and then I moved into a first office on Vickers Way, where it was about 2,000 square feet. We only had about 3 or 4 people in the 2,000 square feet office, so many empty rooms back then, and about, again, a year and a half to 2 years, we filled up the whole space, so we moved into a new office as we are currently located here in number 6 Road in Lakecrest.
My name is Joseph, and I'm the marketing manager at BlackboxMyCar. I work with my marketing team every day in delivering a great customer experience through our website for all of our customers. My best memory of working at BlackboxMyCar is definitely working with the team, and just how happy and engaged they are in what they do every single day.
So my name is Murphy. I'm the senior sales manager here at BlackboxMyCar. So what I really enjoy about working here is that I think that we really are making a difference. Dash cams, they are so valuable in insurance fraud, in protecting against hit and runs, vandalism, all of that. They can lower your insurance premiums, and I think as more and more people get dash cams, more and more of these trends will appear, and people, everywhere will save money.
So I originally met BlackboxMyCar 7 years ago on the BMW forum websites, and over the last 7 years I've purchased many different dash cams, not only for myself but also for my family and friends, and I've just enjoyed the process of helping to see BlackboxMyCar grow from just literally a one-man office just into having all of the different staff and having all those extra support features and the different services that they offer for customers. And it's been really exciting to see that change, and I'm looking forward to seeing where BlackboxMyCar will go in the future, and I'm always there to support them, and they have a loyal customer for life.
Why I chose BlackboxMyCar? It was really the staff, as well as the great equipment that they have. Like, all of their dash cams are premium quality, and the staff was just so friendly. Like, as soon as I gave them a call, they were so willing and knowledgeable to help me find what I needed, and as well, like, they have online tech support too, which is a great resource.
When I showed up at their retail location, I found them to be super friendly, and I left here knowing more about dash cams than I came in with. It felt like they really wanted me to leave with that information, and they taught me all about the value of having a dash cam in general. And so I feel like I really made a great investment.
I feel like BlackboxMyCar is literally the only place you can get your dash cam, because they have very good quality products. They actually check their dash cams, and they know what they're selling. You have professional help from them, and you know you can call anytime and contact them to answer your any questions.
So I started BlackboxMyCar 7 years ago. I was a student at University of British Columbia here in Vancouver, Canada. Ever since I got to UBC, I worked in different jobs, part-time jobs. I had many different part-time jobs, but I've always wanted to start a business.
And joining us now to talk about dash cams, Alex Jang, a UBC student who has a dash cam business.
That's right.
Thanks for joining us.
The UBC science student is so busy he's had to postpone his last semester at school. He estimates 20% of BC vehicles are equipped with dash cams.
And you can see this one comes in front and back. So you can cover one in the front and one in the back.
Without this footage, this crash could have been a he said. Instead, it's clear how things unfolded. The crash was captured by a dash cam installed by BlackboxMyCar, where business is booming. The CEO would like to see customers get an insurance rebate for having the device installed.
ICBC doesn't seem to realize, or they're not as progressive as any other insurance companies in Russia, UK, South Korea, and in Thailand.
From front-end daytime hits to nighttime intersection smash-ups, Alex Jang's dash cams have captured it all.
These are probably the most affordable dash cams, anywhere between like $100. Works when the vehicle turns on.
From his BlackboxMyCar headquarters, Jang ships thousands of dash cams to clients across North America each year. He started selling the silent ammo in 2012 after his family was involved in a crash with no witness. Ever since, business is booming.
We started team of 2, and now we are team of 14. So that definitely says something about how busy we are and how much we grew. Can I see the video evidence? So I sent her on the phone, right on the phone, and she looked at it. She was able to say, okay, you know what, this is clearly his fault. It was definitely hit and run.
Here, one of his customers is about to cross Granville at 70th. Alex says witnesses told police it wasn't the white truck's fault, and they believed it. That is until they saw the video.
If anything goes bad, I can use that video as my defense, basically. And that's what the dash cams are really for, having your own personal witness.
We sell the quality dash cams. They're extremely happy at the fact that they finally found a product that they can buy and install for themselves and for their family members. So that's something that is also very rewarding as a company owner of BlackboxMyCar. And we wish to continue to educate drivers on the road the use of dash cams and how it could benefit many people out there.